So as of our last video, we were building an extension. If you may have noticed, the extension is not live. You cannot find it. You cannot import your GIFs into Premiere Pro like we wanted. It's a bit of a letdown on my behalf. The first time it got rejected, I spelled Premiere wrong in Premiere Pro. So they basically didn't even look at it. They just said, what are you playing at? You know, dyslexia, it is what it is. The second time it got rejected because it wasn't signed correctly. I thought that uploading the zip folder with all the documents would then automatically zip it or sign it for me on the Exchange website, where you have to upload the actual documents, the folders, the files, the folders. It doesn't. They came back to me and said the document has not been signed correctly and it does not show up where it's meant to. It's not going to show up because it hasn't been signed, so they can't install it. Basically, it's the long and short of it. So what we've done now is we re-signed the document. I went through the official documentation on the Adobe CEP website, and that is how we got it to sign properly. I followed the tutorial as well by a nice guy called David, and he helped us to sign the document and then remove the bits we didn't need and send that off now for approval again. So we've resubmitted the application for approval. It will be with them for a few days. Usually takes about 3 days for them to approve it. Then hopefully in the next 3 days we will have our application up and running, and then everyone can import their GIFs nice and easily into Premiere Pro. So if you are using the extension, please let me know down below if you like it, what we can improve, what we can change, anything you'd like to see in the next version of the extension, and any other extension you'd like me to make, anything else you're interested in getting added to Premiere or any other projects, leave them below and that might be the next video. Thank you very much for watching. We're always making things here, so the next thing you should watch is this, because Google thinks you'll like it. See you there.